Well, the reality or the whole struggle that we have with climate change is that we have a lot of scientific knowledge on what can happen to the climate, what kind of impact humanity has on the global climate system, and that like a lot of people feel I have to do something, or there's a threat, there's something or there's a very important need to grasp what can actually be done and how does it relate to me personally and businesses and other organizations as well. And carbon footprinting, it's first of all a word, but it's also a concept to better understand where do all of the greenhouse gas emissions actually come from, which sources. And when we talk about product carbon footprinting, we look at or we take a look at value chains across different sectors to analyze products in detail, also consumption behavior in detail, and actually understand the relevance of different emission sources. So carbon footprinting is a very important tool to inform all of us, where do we want to put our efforts in, what decisions will really help bring down emissions, and last but not least also help us building what the English-speaking world has so nicely termed carbon consciousness. That is a very basic understanding what are the most important emission sources, and I think a lot of that is needed also at a consumer level to have a basic understanding to also grasp the concepts that then can be used in communication and engaging consumers, businesses and consumers on that issue. So carbon footprint is very helpful in building understanding.